For the town, really what I remember is a lot of businesses closing and things getting very quiet, people eating out less, and just very quiet and kind of down, really.
Oddly enough, I have a lot of friends who have emigrated whilst they're in college now. They realised there are better job opportunities overseas than there were actually here, so they thought they were better off finishing their internships abroad.
There was no work on farms, money wasn't available, banks weren't lending, and it just hit everybody.
I've seen a huge difference. I moved down here 10 years ago. 2 years before that I was living up the mountains, so 12 years in total, and I've seen a huge difference. The major loss of the whole town of Bunclody was the Chantry, which was the place people would go and have a sandwich or a cup of coffee or lunch, and it was a very sociable event, and that's closed due to the recession.
Personally, for our family, my husband had to go and work abroad for a long time, so that was an awful kind of traumatic experience for my family.
People believe now that it doesn't matter whether it's Fianna Fáil led or Fine Gael led, it's Brussels run and Frankfurt will pay the bill or tell us what to do. So it's immaterial really who is there.
There's people wanting to go back to education, educate themselves even further just to get standard jobs or in hope of getting the jobs that they want. But I think more people are actually starting to get back into Ireland.